A huge donation was made today. It's for the Nebraska chapter of the American Heart Association. Channel 8 Eyewitness News reporter Rachel Miner has more on that.
Imagine how many lives you could save with $6.5 million. The Helmsley Charitable Trust is partnering with the American Heart Association and hopes to save thousands of lives across the state by investing in improving stroke care. When a person has a stroke, every second counts. Correctly and quickly diagnosing a patient can mean the difference between partial immobility and a full recovery.
There is limited access to health care in our area. Our squads for EMS are volunteer. They don't have the education, haven't had the opportunity to get the education needed to learn how to take care of stroke patients like myself.
Jill had a stroke nearly 20 years ago in rural southern Nebraska. She was given TPA, a drug used to dissolve blood clots, and it saved her life. Not all small-town physicians have access to such drugs or the proper education to quickly diagnose strokes, but the Helmsley Charitable Foundation is changing that.
We'll work with every critical access hospital, every major hospital, every EMS agency here to help improve stroke care.
Tuesday morning, the foundation gifted $6.5 million to the American Heart Association. The money will be used to educate first responders, physicians, and care providers at hospitals across Nebraska on strokes and create a set of guidelines for quickly and effectively treating patients.
Patients that have a stroke, that it doesn't matter where they live as to whether they live, and that they'll get the same care, consistent care throughout the state.
The donation will ensure proper medical care is given to all patients and make sure more stroke patients in rural areas like Jill receive life-saving medication quickly.
It's a gift that will continue to give on giving to Nebraskans.
The Helmsley Charitable Trust says improving stroke care is just one step to improving health care across the state. They say they plan to continue working with the American Heart Association to improve the well-being of all Nebraskans. Reporting in Lincoln, Rachel Miner, Channel 8 Eyewitness News.